So here we have the Coolapeño pepper from Bonnie Plants. This is the first time I've ever bought one. This year gardening is the first time I've ever bought one and planted one. And I've put it in this simple plastic pot that I bought in the garden department at Myers. It's made in America. And I've just got a simple thin hoop here on it. You can see they're green, but they're starting to turn colors. They look just like jalapeños though. So we're gonna go ahead and pick a few today and see what they taste like. So here they are on the grill. We got this idea from my friend Rollcall219. I'm gonna include a link to his channel in the description section and at the end of this video. Recently we were invited to a cookout at his house where he took jalapeños and he stuffed them with cream cheese. He double wrapped them in thick bacon and he grilled them or smoked them. So we've got these here on our little Weber or Weber, however you say it, grill, and they're cooking away here. We've got them single wrapped in bacon. We're using Smithfield Hometown Original bacon, and my wife cut the bacon slices in half to wrap them around the Coolapeños. I'm going to go ahead and flip them. They're getting hot. These things are cooking hot and fast. Bet they're going to taste good. Be back in a little bit to let you know what we think of them. Okay, here we go. We're going to go ahead and eat one of these. The toothpick has fallen out. Or has it? Chew slowly. Pulling the toothpick out. So there it is, wrapped in bacon with Philadelphia cream cheese. It's a mild pepper, kind of like bell pepper. The cream cheese and the bacon kind of overwhelm it. It's not hot or spicy at all. As a matter of fact, if you wanted to make jalapeno poppers for guests who didn't like hot or spicy food, a Coolapeño might actually be a good option. To be thorough, I'm going to go ahead and have a third. You get the taste in the bacon and cream cheese and the Coolapeño. They actually complement each other. A little bit different. You know, you get three different tastes altogether. There we go with another mystery toothpick hidden in there. Thanks, honey. Overall, I'm going to call these good. If I can find seeds, maybe I'll try to grow them from seeds next year. Please forgive the highway noise. So, to Rollcall219, I want to say thank you for the idea on how to cook jalapeños or Coolapeños on the grill. To my wife, don't call me Mrs. Squib Load, I want to thank you for spending the time to prepare the peppers so that we could have them as an appetizer with dinner tonight. And to those out there watching, if you happen to be in the garden department of a big box home improvement store, or maybe your department store or something like that, and you happen to see Bonnie Plants Coolapeños and you're looking for a mild pepper with the shape size of a jalapeno, it might be a good option for you. I'm definitely going to find a way to grow these next year, whether it be from seed or from plant. I'm going to be looking for them. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and see you on the next video.